Alright, this is the Bunn LCA2 coffee machine. I'm going to show you how to do the daily cleaning or rinsing on it. You open the door. Alright, there's a button here. It's usually in the normal when it's running. We want to switch it over to the rinse. It's going to be in run on this way. Now these directions are also up here on the door. You close it, put your container to hold it, and you go like that until you see clear water coming out. Then you do the other side. Same thing. All set. Then we turn this back into normal mode when we want to have the coffee. If you don't turn it back, you won't get any coffee. You also want to clean these off every day. Just rinse them, soap and hot water, as well as the cup holder as well. That's about it.